Okay, what's today? Oh, yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday, right? What's today? Today is Wednesday. How do you spell Wednesday? Capital W E D N E S D A Y. Today is Wednesday. What do we need? We need a comma. And what month is it? It's July. Capital J U L Y. It's July, and what's the date? It's the 21st. 21st, right? Then we need a comma. And what year is it? It's 2021. 2021. Good. All right. So what's today? Today is Wednesday. Capital WEDNESDAY. Wednesday. July the 21st, 2021. All right. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. July the 21st. July the 21st. Where's my days of the week? I put them under the bottom. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. July the 21st. July the 21st. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday. That's a week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Can you spell Sunday? Capital SUNDAY, Sunday. Monday, capital MONDAY, Monday. Tuesday, capital TUESDAY, Tuesday. Wednesday, capital WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Thursday, capital THURSDAY, Thursday. And Friday, capital FRIDAY, Friday. And the 7th day of the week is Saturday, capital SATURDAY, Saturday. That's a week. And the weekend is Saturday and Sunday, right? The weekend. And the weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are the weekdays. Weekdays. And the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. The first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday is the first day of the week. And today is the 21st. You remember we talked about this before, about the ordinal numbers. The first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. All right, so today's date is the 21st. So if we were doing 1 T Nung, no, we'd say the first, the first the first, all right, it's the first, and that would just be 1, and then a ST, first, the first. So if we're going to do the 21st, we would write it's the 21st. T W, we haven't spelled that one yet, have we? T W E N T Y, and then I put a hyphen, 21st, and then you're going to write first, so I'm going to skip a space since I'm doing double space. 21st, F I R S T. So your last two letters, right? ST. ST. The last two letters go right up there at the top, right? First. First. Today's date is the 21st. Tomorrow's date is the 20 what? 22nd. The second. S E C O N D. It's the 22nd. Second. Ah, sorry. I should put a 2 in there. Not just the little thing at the top. Should put a 2 and a N-D. That's right. It's the 22nd. And if I'm going to put 20, I have to use a hyphen. It's the 22nd. So today is the 21st. Tomorrow will be the 22nd. Today's date is the 21st. Tomorrow's date will be will be the 22nd. แล้วก็ต่อไปคือวันที่3เนาะ the third T H I R D. First, second, third. First, second, third. So the next one is 21st, 22nd, and then 23rd. All right, so when you're writing the ordinal numbers, and then of course you get to the 4th, that's so much easier, but the ones that's hard to remember is first, second, and you'll have an ND. The ND will go right up at the top. Second and third, and the RD will go right up at the top, right? Third, first, second, third. ถ้าเป็น21 now if it's 21, 21st, 1 T, 21, no, the 21st, แล้วก็ the 22nd, 22, อีกทรงหนึ่ง no, 22nd และ 23, the 23rd. All right, so that's good talking about the ordinal numbers. What about the months? This month is July, right? How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. This month is July, right? This month, this month is July. เดือนที่แล้ว What was last month? Last month was June. Last month was June. And what will next month be? Next month will be August. August. Next month เดือนหน้าเนาะ Next month will be August. What's today? Today is Wednesday. What was yesterday? Yesterday was Tuesday. And what will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Thursday, right? Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, so we just go forward. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. All right, let's sing our song. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in a year. One more time. January, February, March, and May, July, and September, November, December. 12 months in a year. Good. How many colors are there in the rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, that's right, green, blue, indigo, that's right, and violet,สีม่วง no? And there are other colors not in the rainbow: gold, silver, gray, black, white, pink, and brown. Good job. I think you're getting all this stuff. You can remember all of this now, right? I don't have to review every day. And if you want to know something, go back and look at the other videos, because we've covered all of this. Almost every day we go over and over the same things, but sometimes we throw in something different. All right, so don't forget to practice every day. Practice your alphabet, practice your counting. Go back and look at the old videos. ไปดูวิดีโอคลิปที่ครูเซียมเคยทำแล้วเนาะ แล้วก็เมื่อวานแล้วก็2-3 วันแล้วเราฝึก ABC กับหมายเลขเนาะ ต้องไปฝึกทุกวันเนาะ ออกเสียงและเป็นตัวอะไรบ้าง So always go back and look and write and speak your alphabet, your days of the week, months of the year, and be sure and spell them. All right, good job. I will see you next time.